My name is Aloysius Sejoa, an engineer with Equator Solar. Right now, we are at Naggalama Hospital installing a 50 kilowatt solar system with 20 lithium-ion batteries of 5 kilowatt hours and 2 batteries of 50 kilowatts. So in total, we have a power of 100 kilowatts of power, inverter power, and 100 kilowatt hours of battery storage.
My name is Peter Sentamu, electrical engineer, and I'm with the Naggalama Hospital maintenance team. So in my background here, we have a backup system. It is a 45 kilowatt system. It is covering the whole hospital entirely so we are able to get backup power when we have power shutdowns, which is a constant thing. We have been with it for about 6 years, and it's been a very reliable system. We are really happy with it. There were some challenges in the beginning. I think they had to do with batteries, and Equator Solar was very ready to work with us, to listen to us and to come to site until they could find the problem. Eventually they had the batteries replaced, and right now it is back and running very well.
We're here in Naggalama Hospital where the grid is very poor. So they keep on experiencing power shutdowns, and then they can't work on the patients. So as you can hear right now in the background, the generator is running. So Naggalama Hospital reached out to us wanting a reliable solar system that could really power their CT scan. Apparently their generator is not strong enough to power the CT scan. So we came in with a solution that would help them run their CT scan and then be able to serve as many patients as possible.
My name is Douglas. I'm an imaging technologist with Naggalama Hospital, and I've been working in this radiology department. Previously, we only had X-ray and ultrasound, but in 2023, the hospital managed to purchase a CT, computed tomography, which we have right now on board. But our biggest challenge has been power, so it has limited our activity and our service to the community. Currently, here there is a program on board, and we welcome it. Our expectations are really high. Being in this eastern part, serving Mukono, Kayunga and other districts, we are the only center with a CT scan, but our challenge has been power. So having the solar on board, we believe we shall have a 24-hour service.
I'm Sister Jane Francis Nakafero, and here I work as Director Administration as well as the CEO of St. Francis Naggalama Hospital. We were having a lot of issues. The installation was done very well. However, the power was not enough. And we thought that maybe with a generator, we would be able to solve it. But again, we realized it was not so. So we lost a lot of patients. Every time power was off, we were not able to work on these patients. And at times it was very embarrassing, because at one time I was there myself when the patient was wheeled into the scan room and power went off, and this person had to be brought out. So we suffered a lot, because we didn't have adequate supply of power. Project is still going on, but so far so good. There is already a lot of hope. We are looking at an uninterrupted power supply for the CT scan and other gadgets within the hospital, so that we can offer a continuous quality health service to everybody. Indeed, we are very grateful to Equator Solar for the work that has been done, and the work actually which is still going on. and also for the sponsors in Germany. Thank you.